Hey guys, I want to show you the difference between the AutoBrush Kids brush sizes. This is my daughter's brush. She's 5 years old, but she has a tiny mouth, and this is the 3 to 5 year old kid's brush. My son is 7. He's got a bigger head, bigger mouth, bigger jaw, and this is the 6 to 8 years kid size. So there are a few differences here, right? You can see that, obviously. The 3 to 5 year old one uses, as far as I can tell, only these white dental bristles, but it's got them on both sides and the bottom, so it's still that full surround, whereas the 6 to 8 year old ones has this silicone layer on the outside here, on the inside and the outer rim, and then below that it's got the white bristles on the sides, and then the bottom layer of bristles are these blue ones. Also a pretty notable size difference. Maybe it's hard to tell. There we go. There you can see it. So yeah, anyway, 3 to 5, 6 to 8. Hope this was helpful.